In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Rollup in Airtable. This is a powerful feature that allows you to summarize and manipulate data across linked tables. So let's dive right in and explore how you can make the most of this functionality. To get started, you'll first need to ensure that your tables are properly linked. Rollup only works with linked records, so this step is crucial for the rest of the process to work effectively. Think about how you categorize and connect information in your Airtable base. For instance, you might have a table for projects linked with tasks, another for invoices linked with invoice items, or perhaps clients linked with orders. These links create relationships between your tables and form the foundation that allows Rollup to perform its magic. Now, once you're sure that your tables are appropriately linked, head over to your main table, the one where you want to display the summarized information. Here, you'll want to add a new field. Start by finding the option to add a field, typically represented by a plus add field button. Clicking this brings up a menu where you can customize your field. Choose a name for this field that clearly indicates what you'll be summarizing. Next, you'll go ahead and select the option for Rollup. With the Rollup field ready to set up, the next step is to choose the linked record field. This is where you need to specify which relationship field holds the connection to the details you want to summarize. If, for example, you're working with the previously mentioned setup of invoices linked to invoice items, you would select invoice items as your linked record field. This selection is crucial because it tells Airtable exactly where to look for the data it needs to aggregate. Once you've got your linked record field sorted, it's time to decide on the specific field you want to roll up. This is the step where you focus on the actual values you wish to summarize. For instance, if you're summarizing financial data, you might select a field like line total from a set of invoice items. Alternatively, if you're dealing with a timesheet type scenario, perhaps you'll choose hours worked, or in a sales context, sales amount. The field you pick here is essentially the data point that Airtable will use to create a combined total or another type of summary. And there you have it. By following these straightforward steps, you can efficiently use Rollup in Airtable to bring together valuable insights from your data. Remember, this approach not only helps in viewing consolidated information, but also adds a layer of analysis to your tables, making your database more dynamic and useful. Thanks for watching, and make sure to experiment with these settings to tailor them to your specific needs.